Okay, so now our next topic is logarithm and exponential function. See, before moving forward to motion in one dimension and discussing in-depth questions, you have to learn integration, differentiation in logarithm and exponential functions. Integration and differentiation basics we have already covered. Now we will cover logarithm and exponential function, like how to solve questions, how to simplify questions with the help of these two functions. Okay. See, so what is logarithm? So logarithm is basically a mathematical function. So if you will find this statement somewhere that log, this a is called as base, log base a b equal to c, then what will this mean? The meaning of this statement is that a raised to power c will be equal to b. That is, a raised to power c will be equal to b. So for this mathematical statement, log base 2 4 equal to 2, so 2 raised to power 2 will be equal to 4. So basically this thing and this thing are basically same. This both the equations are same. So from this equation you can learn what is the meaning of log, what is the meaning of logarithm. Okay, now I'll discuss some more examples to clear. So if we have log 3 9, then 3 raised to power 2 will be equal to 9. So log 3 9 will be equal to 2. Suppose I ask what will be the value of log 3 1 by 3. So 3 raised to power minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 3. So if the question is simply what will be the value of log base 3 1 by 3, the answer will be minus 1. Suppose we have log 4 2. So what will be the value of, what will be the power of 4, so that answer becomes 2. So 4 raised to power half is 2. So answer is basically half. Similarly, log 2 2 raised to power 100. So what will be the power of 2, that it will become 2 raised to power 100? The answer will be 100, because 2 raised to power 100 is 2 raised to power 100. Similarly, log 2 1. So what will be the power of 2? So the answer is 1. So power of 2 will be 0. So the 2 raised to power 0 will be 1. So log 2 1 will be equal to 0. Similarly, log 10,000. So what will be the power of 10? So that it becomes 1000. So 10 power 3 is 1000. So answer will be 3. So this is how you have to interpret the meaning of logarithm. So log a b equal to c. Now always remember, this b can't be negative. This thing can't be negative. This can be negative because you have seen, right? Log 2 half, the answer will be minus 1. This can be negative, but this b can't be negative. Now in this session, in this lecture, we will discuss log base e. So what is e? So e is basically exponential and value of e is 2.71. For now you have to remember just the value of e, and log e, always remember, if you see somewhere it can be written as ln also. So basically ln and log e are same. Ln means log with base e. So log e can also be written as ln. And what is the value of e? Value of e is 2.71. Now there are some logarithmic operations which are very important. See, log a plus log b will be equal to log ab. This thing is only possible when base of all these three will be same. So base of log is suppose 4, then the base of log b should also be 4, and base of log ab should also be 4. Similarly, log a minus log b will be log a by b. Remember this formula. Base should be same, and log a raised to power b. Now if a raised to power b is there, then this power can be in the prefix mod. So this b will come outside, and log a raised to power b can be written as b log a. So taking some examples, like for the first formula, suppose log 2 plus log 3 will be log 6, because 2 into 3. Log 4 minus log 2 will be log 4 by 2. The answer will be log 2. Similarly, if there is log 2 raised to power 100, then 100 will come outside. It is 100 log 2. In the third formula, the base does not matter. Whatever be the base, the power can always come on the prefix mod. Okay, this mathematical operations are very important while solving questions. So log a plus log b, log ab. Log a minus log b, log a by b. And log a raised to power b, b will come on the prefix mod, so b log a. Okay, now in logarithm there is one base change formula also. Suppose we have log base a and the value is b. Now if I want to change the base to c, then you have to remember this formula, that log ab will be equal to log cb upon log ca. So now the base is what? Now the base is basically C. So if you have to change the base, you can use this formula. Suppose we have log 2 6 and I want to change the base to be E. So we will write log E6 upon log E2. This formula will be very useful while solving differentiation and integration questions. Okay, now you have to also remember what will be the differentiation of logarithm function. Suppose we have y equal to log x when base is e, then dy by dx will be simply be 1 by x. But suppose the base is not e, suppose y equal to log 4x, then you have to change the base to e. So log 4x can be written as log ex upon log e4. Now we have changed the base, now differentiate it. So dy by dx will be, see, 1 upon log 4 is constant, so it will just remain like this, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So dy by dx will be 1 upon log 4, 1 upon x. So if the base is e, then the differentiation will be 1 by x. If the base is not e, then you have to differentiate it like this. Similarly, we have exponential function. So what is exponential function? So y equal to e raised to power x is basic terminology of an exponential function where value of e is 2.71. Now remember two important things about exponential function. The differentiation of exponential function will be exponential function only. So if y equal to e raised to power x, then dy by dx will be e raised to power x. And similarly, integration of exponential function will be exponential function. That y dx will be equal to ex dx, and the integration will also be what? Integration will be e raised to power x. We will discuss all these things in very detail, in full year. But right now you have to just remember this thing. The differentiation is same like e raised to power x, and integration is also e raised to power x. But suppose y is not equal to e raised to power x, suppose y is 2 raised to power x. Now in this case, what will you have to do? Take logarithm on both sides. So log y will be log 2 raised to power x. Now we have already discussed that property that the power can come outside. So x will come in the prefix mode, so log y will be x log 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, we are not differentiating with respect to y, we are differentiating with respect to x. So for log y, the differentiation will be 1 by y, and for y, dy by dx. And similarly on the right hand side, log 2 is a constant and differentiation of x is 1. So y can be sent on that side, so dy by dx will be y log 2. So dy by dx will be 2 raised to power x log 2. Now this lecture basically discussed the meaning of logarithm and exponential function, how to integrate it, how to differentiate it, what are the basic properties. Now on the basis of this video, you have to submit an online quiz that is right there in the YouTube description below. So you have to submit that quiz. It's very important, to know how much you have learned from this topic. So if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me, you can send a snapshot of that question. Also, if you find any questions in any other book, or if you can try S.S. Arora or H.C. Verma, then there are many good questions in that books. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can share that snapshot of that question with me and I'll give you a reply. Okay, bye bye.